Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
It's now 12:55. Say good afternoon. Okay. Those are joined. Go through the topic we covered in the last class. Did we complete that chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I wanted to see whether you have completed your homework also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So go through the topic we covered, all of you. Completed that. I will be asking you what do you mean by herbivores, carnivores and all. Study that.
വായിച്ചോ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചോണേ വായിച്ചോ
All of you just mute your audio. I can hear the sound from your home. Mute your audio. All of you mute your audio. Still there are someone did not mute. I can see the father is speaking. Okay, students. Have you completed copying your textbook exercise in your notes? textbook exercise in your notes. What I sent. Did you copy down in your class note? Tell me.
It is not working properly.
Where it's not working means you have to install, because mine is Microsoft Word. When the teachers will send the notes, PDF and Microsoft Word, you supposed to install. Your parents are supposed to install that software in that. Then only you can open the notes for the teachers, because it is already 17 to 14 pages sometimes. So it is not easy for click the photo and send. We will be sending you in either in PDF file or in Word file. So in your parents' mobile, you can download, install that app. So if you open that, then you will able to open the notes. And I want everyone to copy down textbook exercise. In my notes, first I have given some summary. Don't copy that. Don't copy that. You copy only textbook exercise. I have written there. Question number 1, 2, 3. In the previous lesson, we don't have so many. Only some very less exercise were there. That you have to copy down, and also the homework what I have sent, the table and everyone. So any doubt you can ask me regarding that. Okay. Okay. Sri Lakshmi, what do you mean the word herbivores? What do you mean by the word herbivores?
Means plant eating animals.
Herbivores eat animals? Is it correct?
No, ma'am. Plant.
Animals which eat plants
eat
or
only
plant products are also called
Yes.
herbivores.
Okay.
Cow,
Okay.
goat, and buffalo.
Yeah. So plants, the organism which eats plants, they are not herbivores. Sion, what do you mean by carnivores? Carnivores. Carnivores. What do you mean by that? Say.
Tiger.
No, I want the definition. What do you mean by the word carnivores? I am not asking example. I wanted
I'm carrying.
who are carnivores.
I'm carrying.
Carnivorous means
Animals eating
Yeah.
other animals.
Okay. So organisms which eat animals, they are known as carnivores. Okay. Can you go to now? What do you mean by omnivores?
I'm carrying.
Eat animals, plant. Eat plant and animals.
Animals are called omnivores. For example, cat, dog, and human beings.
Cat, dog, and buffalo.
Okay, children, now everyone mute. Now we are going to start. So far I was asking the previous classes. Now we are going to start. Okay, children? Okay. So we just go through the exercise, what we have learned. And those who did not complete the textbook exercise, complete by today. Okay. The next, because I will be sending the notes this week, I will be sending the notes for the next chapter. So your work will be accumulated. So complete it then and there. Okay. I'm going back. Before we go to the next topic, I just want to go through the exercise. Already fill in the blanks we already discussed. Did we discuss the fill in the blanks? Last class. Right. We go through the exercise. I'll just explain to you. Then we go to the next chapter because we didn't discuss the exercise so far. Can you see the board, children? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what was on the board now? Can you read it?
Where does it come from?
Where does it come from?
Food, where does it
Okay,
comes
okay,
from?
okay. I just got the last weights. This and all we are over already. Your end of the chapter here. Yes. So this is your exercise we discussed already. It is I have given the answers and all. Just we want to discuss. That is what I wanted. Okay. Then I hope you are able to see the board now. Okay. Okay. So I just wanted Lemin Joseph read the first question. Exercise. First question. Under exercise, can you see?
Food we need to find the ways by watching.
What? It's not that. Can you see the word exercise, children? Exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In that
ma'am.
first question, below that.
Do you now find
Do you find?
Do you find the all leaves being need the some kind?
Amala, same kind. See others. Ausef Pachan.
Yes.
Mute your audio. Don't read. Only Lemin will read now. Others mute your audio. Don't read loudly. You read in your mind. Only Lemin will read. Lemin, I repeat the word. You listen carefully. Do you find that all living beings need the same kinds of food? Can you read properly now? Read now.
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, read.
Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food?
Yes. Okay. Do you need? So what is the answer I was given there? Do we need the food?
No,
Yes or no?
beings do not need food.
Yes. Yes. All living beings, yes. All living beings need the food to eat. That is the answer already given in the exercise. I am just discussing. Next, I move on to Alisha. Alisha, read the second question.
Name the 5 plants and their parts that we eat.
Okay, name 5 plants. Can you give me the one name? One of the plant which we eat food. Hello?
Wheat seed.
Wheat. So, wheat. Okay, wheatless seed. Okay. I move on to next, Muhammad Safwan. Give me another plant name. So many vegetables we eat. Tell me the another plant name. Hello? Children? Muhammad Safwan? Are you listening? Read another plant name. Another plant name.
Beetroot.
Beetroot, what we eat, root, stem or leaf? Beetroot is coming from where? Is it from root?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So like that, 5 plants. Another one, Badi, give me another plant.
Potato.
Potatoes. And which part?
Tomato plant.
Tomato plant. Tomato, what we eat? Seed, fruit, leaf. What is that?
Fruit.
Fruit. Okay. So there are 5 plants already we said. Next I move on to, don't write, it is an exercise I have given. But now I'm just asking you for you. Now next I move on to Nia Nelson. Question number 3. Read that.
Match the items given in the column A with that in column B.
Okay. Now read the first column. What is that?
Column A, milk, yard, paneer, ghee.
Milk, curd, paneer, ghee. Okay. Column B, corresponding what we should write?
Column B, second one is plants and plant products.
Hmm. Is that milk, curd are some animals?
Sorry, ma'am. Are all plant animal products?
Are all animal products. Okay. Okay. So milk, curd, paneer, ghee, which is the column B, last one, are all animal products because we are getting everything from cow. Okay. Good. Abel Jaffe, read the second column.
Spinach, cauliflower, carrot.
Okay. Corresponding one?
Are vegetables.
Yes, very good. Now I move on to Ashinanda. Ashinanda, third column read. Third column. Hello. Third column read.
And tigers.
Lions and tigers. So which is the
Eat other
suitable?
animals.
Yeah. Eat other animals. The last one. Akira. Last one. Last column. Column A, last one. What's that?
Herbivores.
Herbivores.
Eat plants.
Eat plants and plant products. Okay. And I think the next exercise I already made it to read, no? Fill up the blanks. Did I make it to read?
We have to write.
This all you have to write. I have sent it in the printed note, no? In your mobile. So copy from there. Okay. So these are the one textbook exercise you need to copy. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think fill in the blanks. Did we discuss last class? Fill up the blanks.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I am going to ask Karen. Karen, read the fill up the blanks. First one. So this should be in your class note sheets. First one, read.
Tiger is a dash because it is only eat meat.
So what is the answer from the one the answer is given? Which is the correct answer?
Carnivorous.
Oh, carnivore. Okay. Then third one. Second one. Go to Anvil. Anvil, read the second one.
Deer eats only plants produce and so it called
That. What's the name? Herbivore. What's that? Herbivore. Okay. Ahil Mohammed, read the third one. Read the third one.
provide the cat only
Dash products.
products.
Which is the correct one?
Plant.
Plant products. Okay, correct. Then Abhaynath. Abhaynath, read the fourth one. Abhaynath, read the fourth one.
Fortunes eat only dash.
No. Fourth one. Third one is parrot. Okay.
The dash.
That we drink. I can't hear you.
Goats in an animal product.
Okay.
Ma'am, we
What's
have
the
to
answer
write.
there?
You want to write?
Huh?
You want to write?
Milk. The milk that we drink. Okay. Joel Benny, read once again, then fourth one. Fourth one, read once again.
Ma'am, can you tell once more?
Fourth one.
Ma'am, can I
Fill
say?
up the blanks. Read. Joel Benny.
Ma'am, tiger is...
No. Joel, fourth one.
The dash, drink,
Which comes from
cow,
cows, buffaloes,
buffaloes,
and
goat,
is an next word. What's that? Goats is an
Proteins.
animal product, not proteins. Animal product. Can you read once again, Joel, without making a mistake? Read the dash. Joel Benny. Okay, children, what is the answer for it? Milk. Okay. And fifth one, what is remaining there? We get sugar from where?
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Okay, children. So,
Sugar cane.
very good. So, all these questions and answers I have given.
Ma'am.
Yes.
First one.
Don't write now, already in the
Ma'am, I can't see.
children in mobile already I have
Ma'am,
given all
I
this.
can't see.
You can't see.
Ma'am, I can't see.
What about others?
Ma'am, I can't see.
Others can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if those who cannot see may have problem with your network. I'm just asking you children, don't copy down now. I already sent the notes in your mobile, your parents' mobile.
Yes,
Open it and there you copy down without making mistake. Now don't write this all. Okay. For exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's your homework. That's your homework. It is already given in the notes what I sent in the last week. So look that and copy down. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see.
who is that? Who's that? I can't see.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. Sebastian.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am. We
What
can see.
about others?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yes, ma'am. We
We can see.
Then you just adjust your camera in your mobile. Maybe that is why others are seeing, only you cannot see. So that may be your network problem. Others, everything is there. Okay, children. Okay.
Ma'am,
We are moving on to next chapter. So we already discussed the exercise. So
ma'am,
chapter 2.
can you send this in WhatsApp?
What?
Ma'am, can you send it?
No, already I have sent it already in the last week. Check
Ma'am,
your.
that I am not getting that PDF.
If you are not getting that PDF, tell your parents to install that app in your mobile. Okay. You have to install PDF format as well as Microsoft Word. That tell your parents. Then only you can open all the teachers notes in that. Okay. Since the online classes, it is not easy for us to detect and give you all the exercise answers. It takes time. Okay. So that's what we are sending in your mobile. So tell your parents to download PDF as well as Microsoft Word app in the mobile so that you can open. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is for everyone. So everyone. Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Now, same thing we are continuing. Next chapter is very simple. Just same thing. In the first chapter, we learned where does the food come from. Now we are going to learn in all this food which are the components. Already you learned in 4th standard, I remember. You learned about the chapter components of food. So, same thing, little more advanced level you are going to study. So everyone, write it down in your notebook. So, chapter 2. Chapter 2, components of food. Chapter 2, write it down. Then let me clear it out. I start once again. Okay. So write down. I'm writing on the board. Chapter 2. Components of food. Okay, so you have already learned, you already told me which are the food learned, and we also learned ingredients. So all these ingredients, what we use, they should give you energy, because we already, Abhaynath, why did you raise your hand? Abhaynath. Abhaynath, did you raise your hand? You have some doubt? Is that? Hello? Or by mistake? That by mistake? Where is Abhaynath? Tell me, is a mistake or ma'am, by mistake I touched that. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. Okay, go back. Okay, children. You already learned about the food ingredients and the source. And on the basis of the food we eat, we also learned about different types of people, like herbivores, carnivores, and as well as omnivores, that is we human beings. So next topic, components of food. If you just simply eat food, will you grow? No, you require nutrients in your body. So you need some nutrients in your body. And which are those nutrients we require? Tell me, student, when you learned for nutrients, what kind of nutrients you require to grow your body? You must have heard in the small class. Tell me. Adishesh, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of nutrients we require in our body?
Foods.
In food, what kind of nutrients we require? You eat vegetables, plants, fruits and all. Why do we eat? We need to get the nutrients to grow. So I am telling, can you name any one of the nutrient you know it?
Ma'am, protein.
Yes, one of the nutrients is proteins. Very good. Very good. Carbohydrates. Yes. What else? Only these two? Minerals. We also require minerals. Yes. Carbohydrates, proteins, minerals. And to get to 6-pack and 8-pack, what do you require? Vitamins, okay. Minerals.
Yes, ma'am.
Then vitamins. Then to get a 6-pack, 8-pack, what you should have? A lot.
Minerals.
No. To make you fat. Make you fat, what you require? Proteins as well as fat. All this oily thing. Okay, like our egg and all. You know the celebrities and they make a 6-pack, 8-pack by eating 10 eggs in a day. By drinking a lot of milk. Then they want
Nutrients.
Yeah. They go to gym.
Vitamin.
Vitamins. Vitamins require for different parts of a body to get a good vision, to get good hearing, to make your bones strong. So all these required are known as components of food. Okay. So components of food are mainly known as nutrients. So just write it down. Components of food are known as nutrients. Nutrients. I have written there the word nutrients on the board.
We have to write.
Yes. Okay. And they are what are the nutrients? Write down. They are carbohydrates. Write down one by one. They are Riha, Fatima, you are not writing, you are playing with the pen.
No, ma'am, I read.
Right. Components food are known as nutrients. Components food are known as nutrients. Below that, next line, they are, I will write once again neatly for you. Once again, I will write on the board neatly for you. I'll write and you just copy. They are, write like that. They are carbohydrates. Can you see the board? Look at the spelling. Carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and fat. They are carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and fat. Have you written?
Yes.
So these are known as components of food.
No.
Okay? Yes. Now, after learning components of food, we are going to learn from where we get carbohydrates and from where we get proteins, from where we get minerals, from where we get vitamins, etc. And also, this chapter also will tell you deficiency. That means if you don't get any of these things, what will happen to your body? If you have a proper health, you should have all these things in your food. That means you should not eat only carbohydrated food alone. So if you eat only rice, you will get only carbohydrates. If you eat only pulses like a chana, moong dal, you are only eating that, then you will get only proteins. You don't get vitamins, you don't get carbohydrates. If you want to get fat, you want to get minerals, sometimes you need to have egg, sometimes you need to have fish, meat, I mean to say chicken, meat, all. But every time you should not eat one food item. That is what this, okay? I think you have completed writing. I am going to change that. I am going to see next page.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Don't worry, I make you to hear. I am leaving my mic now. That's why you are not. Now I am holding it. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, my things. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I can't see.
I am not showing anything. Wait. I am just taking only. I'm just taking only. Wait. I think it's almost time. Maybe next time we can go.
doubt.
Children, almost 1:30. I wind up now. We will learn next time. So today we only just started first chapter. I mean second chapter. But we discussed the exercise of previous chapter. So today homework, complete that textbook exercise. Okay. So the second chapter will continue in the next class. Almost now time. So I am going to wind up now. No time. Okay, children? Okay. Complete everything.